The fight for an independent judiciary intensified today after the Law Society of Kenya once again asked President Uhuru Kenyatta to speed up the appointment of judges, including those of the Court of Appeal. LSK President Alan Gashuri says the president's delay in appointing the judges, coupled with the Treasury's move to slash their budgets, affected the administration of justice. He spoke a day after the High Court suspended Treasury's circular calling for the slashing of allocations to the judiciary by half. NTV's Silas Apollo tells us more.
A day after they secured a win in court, the Law Society of Kenya is back at it again, this time calling for the increase in the number of judges in courts. The society says the delays by President Uhuru Kenyatta to appoint 41 judges to the bench has paralyzed the courts.
Kenya, with a population of almost 50 million now, has very few judges. Canada, with a population of a similar amount, has over 2,000 judges. Why can't we reach that status?
His arguments are part of a suit filed by the LSK challenging what it says is an attempt by the executive to interfere with the judiciary. He says the cutbacks on the judiciary's budget was a deliberate attempt to muzzle the courts.
Government talks about increased revenue collection, but by cutting the funds to the judiciary, it has a negative impact on revenue collection. Over 300 billion shillings is tied up in the judiciary. What about the taxes? It says that the taxman says over 200 billion shillings is also tied up in cases in the judiciary. Now, the effect of this is a ripple effect countrywide.
LSK argues that the decisions by the presidency paint a picture of an executive intent on suppressing the independence of the judiciary. Others are of the view that the executive arm of government is increasingly growing uncomfortable with the boldness of some of the judges who have made decisions unpopular with them. The nullification of the presidential election is held up as a classic example. Gishuri now says that dialogue is the only way forward if all the three arms of government are to work together.
We hope that we can reach an amicable settlement and the budget is reinstated to the judiciary and the judges who are yet to be appointed are appointed.
Silas Apollo, NTV.